So, welcome to our second worked example, looking at how we use the charge equals current times time equation, but in a different rearrangement. So, we can rearrange the equation to equal current equals charge divided by time. Again, all of our units are measured in these forms: amps for current, coulombs for charge, and seconds for time. So we want to make sure that all the units within the questions that we use are converted back to these before carrying out this equation by plugging in our values. So let's have a look at a couple of examples of how we use this. So calculate the current that flows when 120 coulombs of charge is transferred in 30 seconds. Now, we look at the question. Coulombs and seconds are the units that we want charge and time to be in. So we don't have to do any conversion of units. So simply, we take our equation, current equals charge divided by time. Plug in our values, 120 coulombs of charge divided by 30 seconds of time. So if you've got yourself a calculator and you put those together, current equals charge divided by time. So we have 120 divided by 30. You come out with 4. Now, important to remember, because it's current, our unit of measure is amps. Now, same idea, but thinking about actually if we have to convert any of our units. So we know that current equals charge divided by time. Now we've got 480 millicoulombs, so that's probably a big C, and we've got 3 minutes. Now we want these to be in seconds and coulombs. So if you end up with a unit of millicoulombs, to convert it back into coulombs, we simply divide by 1000. Similar to milliamps in previous examples that we used, if we divide by 1000, we end up with 0.48 coulombs. In minutes, we know that we need to times by 60 to convert it into seconds. So 3 times 60 will give us 180 seconds. So all we then need to do is take our unit, take our answers, and plug these into the equation. So our charge we know to be 0.48 coulombs, and our time to be 180 seconds. So 0.48 divided by 180 give us 0.0027 if we round it. So that would give us 0.0027 amps. So there we go. Worked example of how to use current equals charge divided by time, and making sure that your units of measure are in the correct form.